this is before Hurricane Sandy, and there's a generator. We're gonna tie up all the boats connected like a spider web, just like we did in Hurricane Irene. The hurricane didn't even start. It's happening on Tuesday, and today is Sunday, and the water's already this high, almost at our deck. So, flooding might be bad. And we got all the kayaks and stuff, everything ready, tied up to the tree. We have everything on the deck. We have ropes over there. And we have a lot of water and matches and lighters in the house. So this is just before the storm. A day before the storm. Not more than a day before the storm. And it's already like that. So we're thinking it might be pretty bad. But it still might go off course. So that's pretty much it. Once we finish getting ready, we got sandbags also. And once we finish getting ready, we're going to just wait. Bye.